5 easy steps to improve your cybersecurity. Number 1. Enforce password rules. Enforce a password history policy with at least 10 previous passwords remembered. Set a minimum password age of 3 days. Enable the setting that requires passwords to meet complexity requirements. This setting can be disabled for passphrases, but it is not recommended. Number 2. Update regularly. Any connection to the internet is vulnerable, and it's a key feature hackers try to exploit. Keep every connection, operating system, and application up to date with patches and enhancements. Implementing software and system security updates quickly limits possible exposure to vulnerabilities. Number 3. Implement VPNs for all connections. Networks that are protected only by generic security measures are more vulnerable to attack. Implement virtual private network, VPN, connections between office locations and make their use easy and mandatory for mobile employees who may connect through public Wi-Fi services. Number 4. Retire all unused services. When limited duration products expire, decommission the applications, logins, and user credentials associated with them. In cases when you don't use every available feature of a UC deployment, such as a video chat function, turn it off to further limit unauthorized access to the enterprise. Number 5. Leverage existing security options. Some applications come bundled with their own security features. While it's still important to implement additional safeguards, vendors know their own products and typically devote significant resources to deliver a safe environment for customers. Find out what security measures are included with your software and use them to the fullest extent in conjunction with other security you have in place. Visit hackerslist.co to learn more.